Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to make a traditional apple cake that's made famous from County Kerry in Ireland. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now first of all, we take 225 grams or 8 ounces of unsifted plain white flour, and to that we're going to add 90 grams or 3 ounces of butter. Now we're going to take our fingers, which we make sure are cold. We're going to rub the flour and butter together until they form a fine breadcrumb mixture. Now once you've got the mixture to your liking, we're just going to set that to the side, and then we're going to take 90 grams or 3 ounces of caster sugar, and to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to bring back our breadcrumbs and we're going to add the sugar mixture to it. Just stir that well until it's combined. Now we're going to pour the flour mixture into a larger bowl, and to that we're going to add 3 large cooking apples which have been peeled, cored and then sliced up into small pieces. Now we're going to also add 1 beaten egg, and we'll give that a good mix around just until it forms a soft dough. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell for notifications. It does help the channel for make further videos for you. Now we're going to take the apple dough and we're going to pour it into a 20 centimeter or 8-inch lined and greased baking tin, and we're going to flatten it down. So now we'll take 3 tablespoonfuls of demerara sugar, and we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and we'll just mix those well together. Now we're going to bring in our dough mixture from earlier, and we're just going to take the demerara sugar mix and we'll just sprinkle it all over the top. Now we're going to take that over to a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes. Now after 45 minutes we'll take it out and we'll just check the cake is cooked. So you just take a skewer, pop it into the middle, and if the skewer comes out clean, then the cake is cooked. If not, pop it in for another 5 minutes. Now I just like to serve mine warm, straight out of the oven, and topped with some cream. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video for Kerry apple pie, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.